Hey, Dr. Tam here. Welcome to our office. So when you first come in, this is our office right over here. There's plenty of parking spaces. We have patients here right now. You can park all along over here from the side. Oh, there's a car backing out as well. You can park anywhere over here as well. So as you are driving down Alamo, which is right behind you or right in front of me, you're gonna see our sign walking in, all right? Come on out. Let's take a look at our office. All right, come on in. So right when you first come in, this is our front desk area where you would come in, sign in, you'll be greeted by our front desk receptionist over here. As you come this way, this is our whole lobby, by the way. We'll take a pan view of this area all the way down to the other area over there. As you come through over here, this is Chelsea Way, see? And right now we have patients on the other side, so it's a perfect time for me to show you this side of the building. And this is our decompression suite, where we have 8 decompression tables, spinal decompression for cervicals and lumbar, so for your neck and your lower back, for anyone who has disc compression problems, disc herniations, disc bulges, pain in the legs, and similar illnesses. So coming from the decompression area to this middle hallway over here, this is our chiropractic side, and also a place where we take diagnostic x-ray imaging, also where we have our consultation, report of findings room, and also a bathroom down this way as well. So this room over here is our first adjusting and exam room. This over here is the second adjustment and exam room over there. As we come back here, there's our third adjustment and exam room on that side. And then as you come back further, this area over here is where we actually review a lot of our patients' x-rays, and we go through a whole report. As you come back here, this last space over here is going to be our x-ray radiograph area, where we take all the x-rays necessary and it's state-of-the-art hospital grade x-rays. So come on back with me. Now that we have visited the second hallway, we're gonna come over to the third hallway over here. This is the other part of our lobby, all right? And as you come down this area, we have quite a few rooms for our medical practitioners, our nurse practitioners. This is our first medical room on this side. And coming down here, this is our offices for our practitioners. And then this is our second medical room over here. And this is our other reported findings, and then also our consultation room as well. And then lastly, we do have another restroom on this end of the hallway.